In today's video, we will see how to find the JBL earbuds case if lost. Check last known location or order a replacement. So most standard JBL earbud case lack built-in GPS or tracking chip and will not emit a signal if the earbuds are inside. As they disconnected when closed, to find your case, first use the Find My Buds feature to locate the earbuds themselves, or try to manually locate the case by checking your Bluetooth connection range. Step 1. The Find My Buds method. If the case is open or earbuds are out, and if your earbuds are not in the case or the case is left open, you can force the earbuds to emit a loud beeping noise to help locate them. The step 1. Make sure your earbuds are connected to the phone via Bluetooth. Next, open the My JBL headphone app on the smartphone. Step 3. Select your connected earbuds from the device list. So scroll down and select the Find My Buds option. Tap on the left or right earbuds to locate it and tap play. Ensure you are not wearing the earbuds when you do this, as the sound is designed to be loud. Method 2. Manually search and Bluetooth tracking. If your case is closed and the buds are inside the case, act as a barrier and the buds will not connect to your phone. The step 1, you can go to the smartphone settings via Bluetooth, then Bluetooth. Now look at the paired device list. If your JBL earbud shows up as connected, the case is likely nearby, typically within 10 meters. Methodologically, retray your steps in the area. Check typical spots like backpacks, couches, or jacket pockets. Method 3. If the case is truly lost. If the earbuds are in the case but the case itself is out of Bluetooth range or completely lost, it cannot be tracked digitally. You can check your Google Find My Device app or Apple Find My app for iOS. Throughout this primary track the earbuds themselves and will only show the location from the last time they were connected. If you absolutely cannot find it, you can order an authenticated replacement case or spare part directly through the official JBL support or authorized accessories vendor. Goodbye, thanks for watching.